Hello kids, in this video we will draw this beautiful shark using black color. So first of all we are drawing this outline with this black marker and later on we will give it color. So stay here, don't go anywhere, watch complete video. You can draw this outline with pencil first and then you can use black marker to make the outline. It is super easy. You can copy me and draw like this. The beautiful eye, and it is sleeping, and now wake up. So the shark has wake up, and now we are drawing the shark. These are the fins, the tail part, and now we will draw the teeth of the shark. Oh, these are so sharp teeth. Have you seen a shark in the sea or somewhere else? Blue color. This is dark blue color. So we will apply dark blue color. Blue color. So you have to use a brush, and these are poster colors. This is a very beautiful shark and it is our friend. He is looking happy. So apply blue color on the whole body including the tail. We will also use some other colors. So this is blue color. And now after that we will use orange color. This is orange color. Have you seen an orange color? Yes, this is. So this part is orange. And now we will use another color, that is violet color. So I am using violet color to color this part. This is the upper side. What a beautiful color it is. I really like coloring and painting. Do you like to draw the fish like this? And now this part will be also violet color. And after this, I am going to change the color to orange. So orange color is used again. And this fish is ready to go in the ocean. So this is also orange color. And this part should be also orange color. Our shark is ready. Now we will draw some water, and that will be light blue color. So this is the sky blue color, which is a bit lighter, and we will color it. So cover the whole side, the whole surface with this sky blue color. I hope you are here and you are also drawing. Coloring is super easy. So I am applying on the whole area sky blue color. And this is the color of the water. The ocean color is blue. And as it is complete, now I will use small brush to cover this area. When it will be drier, so it will look same uniform. You will use a black marker again to highlight the portions which is removed with the colors. Now I have already done that. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, subscribe our channel for more videos. And thanks for watching. Now the teeth. Oh, so beautiful sharp teeth of the shark.